water. Water. Exactly, sis. Yeah. You know, when I walk with my kids here and they're being naughty in the street and I want to shout at them, I speak in Thai. So no one else understands me, but yeah. Thai or Lao, I just say to them, yeah, Jixie. And everybody around me is like, huh? Maybe she's saying something nice they don't know. Isn't that right, Layla? Even with my kid's grandma, they do this too. If they want to, if grandma tells them off and they're being naughty, they will sometimes speak to each other like, oh, what is grandma telling us that for? They don't speak bad about grandma. But yeah, they can speak in their own language, so their grand doesn't understand. And my mom always says, I know what you're saying, but actually she doesn't. Water. Layla, yeah, Layla. Layla. You want to say hello? No. Can you say hello to everyone? No. Why? No, it's a lion. It's a lion. It's a lion. No, it's not a cat. It's a lion. It's a lion. Yep. How did you learn Thai? Yeah. I was living there for around 11 years. Guys, look. Many. Zarim, I have many. Have this one. Have this one. This one. This one. Like Harry Potter house. See that? Very cute. Say it in American accent. Water. Water. I get some water. Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. Sorry, yeah, it's very cold. Look. It's wet, snowy. Nope. I told you already. So yeah, what questions do you guys have? I can do both. I can multitask. It's nice. Yeah, she can fall, and also an asteroid can come down from the sky right now and make the earth explode. So yeah, we need to be careful, everyone. I teach my kids in a way to use their own brains. They must be careful. I have taught them, I'm not just going to leave them, no, but I have taught them to be self-sufficient. If they run, they know it's slippy. They know it's dangerous. If they run and they fall, then yeah, they have to deal with the consequences because this is how real life works. Mommy's not always going to be there, but obviously I'm not going to let them break their arm or their leg. Do you just like, yeah, I have. Under this one, under all. What do you do? I'm walking. I'm Muslim. Alhamdulillah. Yes. No, I'm listening to my mom, so don't say. What do you mean? No, I'm not jogging. Jogging this, I'm gonna fall. I will fall down.
Mom!
What? Yeah, let's go see the snowman. We're gonna go ice skating. We're gonna walk on the water. Yes, I am native. Born in. Wait, I'm gonna find your horse. It's here, down here. I'll find it for you. I have something new for you. Olaf. Olaf is here. Don't touch it. Don't break it. Someone's made that. He's got a carrot too. Look. What's that? Hi, Olaf. Why don't you go and finish it? You need a button. You wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. You wanna put it on? Yeah. There we go. I'm still trying to find the horse. Oh, she's over there. Let's go. Yeah, let's go skating. We're going to the lake. It's frozen. The water is frozen, so you can skate on the ice. And many people are skating on there. Yeah, they always do carrot as a nose for the snowman here. Always. Look, now they make it by. Yeah, nice place, but my feet are getting wet. London is so beautiful. Really? London's so beautiful. London is so beautiful. I may invite you to my live stream on YouTube about business around the world. Yeah! We can, Abdel. Why not? It depends what you will ask. Because, hey! Ooh la la! Tag here. Oh, I feel my blood is freezing. Is your father an astronomer? Because I feel he's still a star. Ah, la la! That's funny. Oh, that made me laugh. There's many people here. Ah, funny. Thank you. Okay, guys, this is the we have a poet and he doesn't know it. Nah. Okay, the water. They're skating on the ice.
It's okay, just try.
No.
Come on, Mommy.
Okay, wait. You go first, go. This is water, you see? Skating on ice. In a natural way.
That's wrong.
No, I don't speak to random people. Wow, she's like Tinkerbell, look. Oh. Here goes Tinkerbell. Woo! Wow. Tinkerbell on ice. Yeah, it does. People in the UK, you shouldn't make conversation with them lightly. No, that's correct. With any people, no. Don't run, don't run, don't run. Amma, we wouldn't say beautiful for a boy, but we say handsome. Handsome. Your son is very handsome.
Mama.
Look at Tinkerbell. I think Tinkerbell's gonna fall down. Yeah, exactly, Jazz, yeah. We are reserved. Yeah, Abraham, that's why I'm standing watching. Oh, I'm horrible. Inshallah, Abraham. For what? Oh, don't